If you love this plant too like me, but not sure how to grow and care for it, then today's video is for you. This is one of my favorite ornamental plants. Do you know its name? This is Tangled Heart Plant. I have detailed video on this plant and I'm sure you might have seen this in many other videos as well. I have this plant in hanging basket and in many other pots as well. So today I will show you how I grew this plant in this pot from small cuttings and I will show you the updates as well. Alright, let's get started. Welcome back friends, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So about 2.5 months back, I started growing Tangled Heart plant cuttings in this pot. You can grow them in bare soil as well, but I would suggest to mix some coco peat also to make the pot lightweight, and also it will retain moisture for longer in the pot, right? So you don't have to water your plant frequently. Also start with moist soil by adding water to it before putting in cuttings. This way you can insert cuttings into the soil easily. Now take some small cuttings of the plant, Tangled Heart, and insert them all in the pot. This is one of the easiest plant to grow from cutting, I would say. In fact, I would say effortlessly you can grow them. That even if you don't, insert them in the soil, you just throw them on soil, and if they get water and a touch of soil, they will still thrive. They spread like weeds. Now just water the plant thoroughly and water it every day and keep the pot in full sunlight and you'll see the magic in few days. Now here comes the update after about 25 to 30 days with lot of new growth. You can see shiny, thick, lush green leaves. And this is the growth after about 1.5 months. And I would say I just kept the pot in full sunlight. I watered it daily. That's it. No extra or any special care. You can grow this plant in full sunlight as well as in partial shade. With even a very small cutting, you can get multiple plants out of it. And at this stage, as you can see, there are many dangling stems, right? Just snip off the cutting and you can grow them in multiple other pots as well. It's a succulent, but surprisingly, it loves lots and lots of water to grow more greener and healthier. The more you water it, the leaves will look more shiny and green. And if you underwater it, it will start looking bit dull and yellow. And sometimes it will look dehydrated also. But it won't die. It's that sturdy plant. I hope you liked today's video. If you managed to get some cuttings, grow them in pots and in hanging skits. I'll see you soon with one more interesting video. See you.